Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get coupon codes for Hothead hair extensions. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, to get a coupon code for Hothead hair extensions, you can see there's a list here of about 7 different ways to do so. So the first way is to go to the official Hothead website, and once you're here, they might give you a pop-up that says enjoy 10% off your first purchase. So if you chuck in your email address here, you'll get 10% off your first purchase. And also, giving them your email address, they'll give you future discount or promo codes as well. So that's another cool way to get promo codes. So if I get out of this here, we're on the main page here of hotheads.com. And now on their main page here of Hotheads, sorry, I'm in the About Us, the main page here. So on these sliders here, you got 20% off site-wide with code SUMMER20. So you can put in SUMMER20 at the checkout section of Hotheads when you're making a purchase to save 20% off. So that's a pretty cool way of getting a promo code. The second way, email subscription, we just spoke about that. Social media is another great way of getting coupon codes or promo codes. So you can follow Hotheads on their media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Insta and that. And they announce special promos and may occasionally share unique coupon codes with only their followers. Another cool way is referral programs. So sometimes these companies may have referral programs where existing customers can refer friends or family members. In return, both the referrer and new customer may receive discounts or promotional credits. So you can check out if Hotheads do have a referral program in place. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Seasonal promotions. So Hotheads may run seasonal promotions during holidays or special events or sale seasons. So keep an eye out for any announcements or advertisements during these times. Another cool way is a third-party website. So you can check out third-party websites that offer discounts or coupons for beauty products, including hair extensions. Websites like Retail Me Not or Coupon Follow may feature Hothead hair extension coupon codes. So if I head on over to Google, type in promotional codes for Hothead hair extensions, you've got these different coupon codes, discount codes you can have a look at. So there's Retail Me Not, you can check out their codes here, but there's other ones as well. So I don't know, I might click into We Thrift It, 30% off coupon code. So you got 30% off Hothead coupon code. So you can check out some of these, 10% off deep conditioning cap order. And then more Hothead coupon codes, 15, 10, 20% off. So if we want to do this one here, 10% off store-wide, you can check out the code by clicking on it. So copy code and then paste that code into the checkout section of Hothead extensions to activate that code. And the last way you can get coupon codes is to check out your local salon or beauty stores. So sometimes these stores may carry the Hothead hair extension products and offer coupon codes or packages for the Hothead purchases as well. And on the side note, remember to verify and the validity of these coupon codes you find before making a purchase. Be cautious of scams or unauthorized sources claiming to offer discounts. Review the terms and conditions associated with any promotion to understand the requirements and restrictions.